Not too bad, but I won't be staying here. Oh, actually, it's flipping cold. Oh. Come on in here, let's go. Come on in. There's a good boy, let's go for a swim. We'll call this boat off. Good boy. This is a ladder. Come to here. Come on in. There's a ladder. Okay. There you go.
Wow. Let him get his breath first. Wow. What a good dog. What a good dog. Nice and gently. Nice and easy does it. Well done. That's it. Fantastic.
Just had the Naval police ask us to turn around so they could escort a submarine in. So we're sitting in the middle of this wonderful tranquil river, and up pops an old friend Nigel from Spindrift, who paddled all down the river. Of course, time for a beer. The following morning, ourselves and Moody Mabel headed on out towards Salcombe.
Doing?
Awesome! God, that's working as well.
It goes with a, it's only a very streamlined, so
Yeah.
it does go.
So what are you doing, Neil?
And taking the dog for a whittle and a woo-woo. So we're off to the beach. Go on then, little friend. And we're off. Wow.
So what do you think of all these races, Neil?
I want to play. Yeah, I could get into this. Speed. But one boat is enough. No more boats. No more boats. Well, on the way across, our wheel pilot broke, and it was this little band here. Maxine has managed to sew it up, but managed to order a new one from SLG Bearings, and it was delivered in less than 24 hours. So off with a steering wheel and a new belt on the tiller pilot.
He's got to fix it.
It's
I
all right,
mean,
I enjoy
we'd rather
fixing.
be sailing, swimming, stuff like that.
Nope, I enjoy tinkering. Just got one Allen key that wants to round off. We always have one Allen key that wants to round off.
Whatever that means.
As usual, things don't go to plan, and one Allen bolt just would not come out and round it. I've ended up having to drill it and hopefully mole grip it off. If not, I'll drill it out and tap it a bigger size. But yeah, simple job.
Oh, you've missed it. Well, I bought some swan food, and we've hardly seen
any swans this year at all, hardly. I mean, I'm amazed by how many we haven't seen. But here, come along, 5 little juveniles. And 2 boys and 3 girls. So there's hope in the future.
Watch your stern rope. Round your prop.
Did he hear you?
Just leaving Salcombe. Just passing Start Point Lighthouse.
What are you doing, Neil?
Trying to fly the cruising chute. Getting there.
You're looking like it's working.
Yeah, doing good.
3-7.
Photographic evidence. It's 10 knots of winds and we're doing 3.5. So we should be doing more than that. I'm obviously flying it wrong some way. Happy man. If anybody knows what I'm doing wrong with my setup here, please comment. Total tailwind and I'm getting this left to right, left to right. Anybody any ideas? Or for you yachties it's going port starboard, port starboard. Lines coming down to here and lines coming down here. Starboard side I've shortened a bit just to bring it down, but can't seem to get it to fly even and straight. Ideas please. Coming around Berry Head. Final night on our 3-week holiday. Good old Fishcombe Cove.
So, Neil, how has it been for you the last 3 weeks?
3 weeks of heaven. We actually got to use the sails on a sailboat, so that was absolutely wonderful. And last day in Fishcombe Cove, Steve Rendell, thank you for that lovely drop of scotch. So yeah, beautiful 3 weeks. I could live on a boat. And surprising what you don't need. We have a big house at home, but I'm just surprised at what you don't need. It's beautiful.
We've been 3 weeks out, and we've been all the way down the Devonshire coast and all the way down the Cornish coast and back again. And it's been just fabulous. The weather has been wonderful and just the best of the best. My highlight was Salcombe, although I did enjoy every bit. I enjoyed Foy and Falmouth too, it's got to be said. And meeting friends from Moody Owners along the way. Yeah, it's been really, really, really ace.
And we're just sitting
Thank
up the
you.
front deck now, watching the sun go down. Yeah,